Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be covering Luna and going over my thoughts on the price action and where I think this is headed. So if you are new to the channel and you want to show some support, please leave a like and subscribe. Alright, so I'm going to start off here on the daily chart, and this is going back basically to 2021. And you can see how we have these major lows that were set in the summer of 2021, and right now price is nowhere near them. And this is different from a lot of other altcoins because most altcoins are actually back at these lows, if not already lower. So it is holding up phenomenally, and it has a lot of relative strength against Bitcoin, Ethereum, and the altcoins. So I think, in general, when altcoins have relative strength in the bearish times, they tend to continue that strength and outperform during the bullish times. So they are going to be the top performers when the market overall resumes bullish. So I would definitely keep an eye out on Luna. And you can see how in the short term, we haven't even had a significant drawdown. Yes, we are down 32%, but if you compare that to say Bitcoin and Ethereum, which are down 50%, and altcoins, which are down up to 80 to 90%, it is phenomenal how well this is doing. And considering that it's had such an amazing run since the summer 2021 low. So if you remember, Bitcoin was roughly $30,000 in this kind of time frame, and right now it's at 36,000. So it's not too far off from its summer 2021 lows, whereas Luna is actually up about 1,600% from those lows. So you can definitely see how Luna has outperformed significantly, not only against Bitcoin and Ethereum, but most altcoins. So this has been a top performer. And if we do resume bullish, I would expect the trend to continue. We have a consistent uptrend here where we have these higher lows and higher highs, right? Every step of the way. So I think, in general, when we do resume bullish, this is going to be a top performer, and it is the closest to its all-time high. It has the best market structure considering that it's holding higher lows and higher highs, and I think this is a phenomenal chart. So now I'm going to switch over to the Luna Bitcoin chart and kind of show you how this price action relates to Bitcoin. So this chart values the ratio of Luna to Bitcoin. So if this chart's moving up, that means Luna is outperforming, and vice versa. If it's moving down, that means Bitcoin's outperforming Luna. So as you can see, it is even a crazier trend because we have this very defined uptrend where these higher lows, right? We have higher low, and we're kind of holding right now. We're consolidating here, and it looks like, kind of like a flag pattern where the lows are kind of condensing and the highs are condensing, and we're kind of coiling up. So if you do see us break above these highs, then you could consider that, well, maybe it's going to continue this long-term trend and it's going to keep going. And this would be good for the Luna Bitcoin chart, but this doesn't exactly give us the best insight on what would happen to the USD chart. So this could be moving up if Luna was going down, say 5%, whereas Bitcoin's down 20%. So it all depends on that ratio. But overall, if you have money in Luna and you're outperforming Bitcoin and you're increasing your Bitcoin stack, that is obviously a great trade to make, and it's something I would highly recommend. So in the short term, you can see how we have this general resistance area that has flipped support. So we have this double top here at around 0.002. One top, and then came back, topped again, and then came back down. And then since we got above it, we're kind of holding this as support, and that's a great sign because it shows how we flipped resistance as support, and it's kind of like hinting at maybe we have another leg coming, right? So overall, that's my thoughts on Luna. I think it's a great chart. It's very bullish, and it's one of the best altcoins out there. So if you like the channel, please leave a like and subscribe,